Hi everyone, Yasas, que kalos irsate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. If you're looking for a non-alcoholic drink to serve at your next gathering, I got you covered with my hibiscus rose lemonade. This is delicious, it's beautiful. That vibrant color that hibiscus leaves is just stunning to look at. Simple to make and it keeps fresh in the fridge all day long. You can serve this to a crowd or maybe have it on hand for a hot summer day so that way you can cool down with something delicious. Let me show you how I make it. We're going to begin by bringing 8 cups of water to a boil in a large saucepan. And once it comes to a boil, we're going to turn the heat off and add 1 cup of dried hibiscus flowers. I love these hibiscus flowers. I bought these from TikTok shop and I'll put the link down below as well as on the blog post and in the TikTok video. Take the pot off of the heat, set it aside, give it a nice mix and cover it so that way the tea can really steep for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then we're going to carefully strain the tea through a fine mesh sieve and discard the flowers. While the tea is still warm, we're going to stir in either honey or sugar. So hibiscus flowers are very tart. That's why they go so good with the lemon, which means you need to add plenty of honey or sugar to sweeten this up. You can use a sugar substitute if you like. I love using honey for this, 1 or 2 cups, even though it sounds like a lot. This makes a lot of tea. So I'll start with 1 and then taste it as I go, 1 cup of honey. And I definitely did add more because that wasn't sweet enough, especially with the lemon juice that we're going to add later on to turn it into a lemonade. So sweeten it to your liking. Again, you can use either honey or sugar, but the honey does add a really nice flavor to it. So we're going to set this aside to cool completely. So while this is cooling, we're going to squeeze the lemons. We need lots of lemons for this to get 1 cup of lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is always best. Freshly juice the lemons and carefully strain out the seeds and all of that. And now it's time to put it all together. So we need a little bit of water and ice for this just to lighten everything up a little bit. I'll add about 2 cups of ice water to my pitcher with the fresh lemon juice. You can also sweeten the lemon juice a little bit if you like your lemonade nice and sweet. I'm going to leave it because the hibiscus tea is so sweet. And then I'll top this off with hibiscus tea, lots of ice. I'll put lots of ice in my cup and then pour it in. This is so delicious. I also added rose water, by the way, into the pitcher. So 2 tablespoons of rose water. You can add more if you like. If you don't like the flavor of rose, completely leave it out. Strawberries also go good in this, and I'll put all of the options in the blog post. This is so refreshing and delicious, and it's ready to serve. Oh my God, this is so refreshing. I can drink it all day long. The times where I don't want to drink it sweet, what I do is I just flavor my water with it. And I have that hibiscus lemony flavor all day long. It's so refreshing, so good. Easy to make. If you're not a fan of rose, I know some people don't like those floral type flavors, just leave it out. You can definitely substitute strawberries for this. You can mash strawberries up and add it to it. There's lots of different ways to flavor it, and I'll make sure to list them on the blog post. So head on over to the blog, dimitrasdishes.com, and print this one out and take a look at all of my tips. If there's something that you like to add to it, make sure you share it down in the comments below so we can all benefit from it. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you give this one a try. This drink is absolutely delicious. Let me know how it comes out in the comments below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas. So good.